Hi guys, good to you. Going to journey here. This is a quick review video about a new digital product released by a top vendor in the industry named Alessandro Zamboni. His new digital product is called Digital Sales Empire. This product is a proven product that that can maximize profit for anyone. It's about you selling your digital product, be it an ebook or any manual, any idea you are selling it digitally. So Alessandro Zamboni has been on the internet for more than a decade, and anything he releases, they are proving to work. So this is all about selling a digital product, and I've checked this product. It's awesome. This is the sales page. So and on this sales page, you get to learn everything you need to get started about selling your digital product, be it a PDF, be it an ebook, or anything, any digital product, any idea you have, you can just turn it into what? Into a PDF, or write it into a Microsoft code, gather it together, pack it up together, and offer it in return of money. So Alessandro Zamboni has taken away the body. Even though you are a newbie, you don't have idea of how to write a digital product, you can outsource it. Then you won't be spending any unnecessary fee. He has taken care of everything you need, and I've checked this product. It's awesome. So you can see on the sales page here, he said how to sell your old and new courses, ebook, PLR, printables, and PDF in minutes. Now we can't spend these days to create funnel and sales page. It is easy guys. He has simplified everything for you guys. All you need is just to what? Implement the strategy and start banking which commission. Be it daily, weekly, or monthly. It's that easy guys. I've even gotten access to the product. So I've checked these and I've go through it. His strategy is already working for me already, because I've utilized this training and it's proving to work. You can see this is my purchase page of the product. The video one is all about introduction, about the entire process. And the video two, what can you sell? PDF, video courses, PLR, ebooks, webinar, replays, and the likes. So drawing wallets, any idea you have, just need to turn it to money. It's that easy guys. You don't need to, there is no complications at all. He has simplified it and make everything ready for you. You only just to take action. And no technical skills needed at all. No professional skills. It is what? Easy guys. It is easy to use. Video 4 is all about to create vision board stickers. How to go about it. He has simplified that as well. The video 5 is creating coloring books. He has worked on it as well. Video 6 is all about how to create perfect courses for any niche you may be interested in. You are good to go. Video 7 is about how to create professional ebooks. So even though you don't have an idea, this will even be a leverage for writers. So so far you have a book that you have that has been written for you. You just don't know how to sell it the right way. This course will be an added advantage for you. For someone that is not a writer as well, this is also a leverage course for you. You just need to leverage your niche. There's no big deal. There's no technical skills required. Video 8 is all about to create your ETSY account like a pro. Video 9, publish your course, get free traffic, and much more. So it's that easy guys. And also, if you are picking up this offer through my review video, you'll be getting 4 custom bonuses from me as well. I've included 4 custom bonuses for you guys, just for you to get better conversion. So you can see this is video 3 about create a cheat sheet. It's loading. Guys, this video, everything has been simplified. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need prior skills, no technical skills. It has simplified everything. All you need is just to take action. Take action. You can see video 4 create vision board. Let me play it for you guys as well. Video 5 is all about create coloring books. It's already explained inside this module. So that's that. How to create perfect courses is there already. How to create professional ebooks, it has been taken care. Video 8, create your Etsy account like a pro. Video 9, publish your course just like the way you publish on Amazon Kindle, Graph2 Digitals, and many more sites like that. And last one, get free traffic, because in any business you are doing online, for you to get sales, for you to monetize your business, you need traffic source. Without the traffic source, even though you have a good product, it is more or less like a let something working without a good traffic. So that's it, guys. So for you to get access to this training course, there is a link on the YouTube, the video description below. Just click on it. Click on the link. You can get access to this video training course by clicking on the link. Once you click on the link, you get my bonus pages. You see the bonus I'm offering to you. So for my bonus page, once you click on the button, you land on the sales page. After the sales page, after you get access to this course, you'll be directed automatically to my bonus page. Then you have access to it, guys. So all you need is just to take action, and I wish you the very best.